Well, my name's Linda Chamberlain. I've been coming here for 30 years and yeah, I've had no problems at all with them. They're very good, very professional. I had a crown on it for many years and it was fine, and then it failed all of a sudden, and Sarah put it back in and it was fine for another few months, and then it came out and it got so that we couldn't put it back in because it was worn. So the only alternative was an implant or some sort of brace thing with a tooth on, which I didn't really fancy. So yeah, went the route of the implant. Well, yes, you come in and when you're having it done, you're nervous. You're bound to be, but no, everyone puts you at rest and says, you know, it's going to be fine, and it was. And Nick took the old root out and put the implant in straight away. He was really excellent. I felt like he was a friend more than a dentist. So, yes, no, he's very nice, very friendly, very professional. It's deadened all up, so you don't get any pain. And to be quite honest, I didn't have much pain afterwards either. Well, Woodborough House Dental Surgery to me is a friendly place to come for your dental needs.